Welcome to this 4-bedroom house for sale in Panorama, Peru, Western Cape, South Africa for R2,630,000. This lovely home presents you with tons of space and comfort. Come and see for yourself. Exceptional dual living home, offering 5 living areas, braai-room, open plan kitchen with separate scullery, 5 bedrooms or 4 with study, 2 bathrooms as well as a double garage. All this on 2 levels, double story. Come and bring the in-laws to live with you. This home has so much to offer and lots of potential. Give me a call today. For more information on this property or to arrange a viewing, please contact us.